Welcome to Okuma. My name is Jakob Simon and I work as automation specialist at Okuma. Here you can see a powerful and highly flexible multitasking solution. The Okuma MULTUS B300II combined with the TA200 automation system. The MULTUS B300II is one of Okuma's flagship multitasking machines. It is designed to replace multiple setups with one seamless process. With its integrated milling spindle, sub-spindle options and Okuma's OSP control, it handles turning, milling, drilling and even threading in a single machine with exceptional accuracy. Its rigid construction and advanced thermal stability ensure consistent precision even in long and complex machining cycles. This makes the MULTUS B300 ideal for high-value parts in industries such as aerospace, fluid and mechanical industry. Paired with the TA200, the system becomes a highly efficient and flexible automated production cell. The automation offers intelligent part loading and unloading and a user-friendly interface that allows extremely fast setup times. This combination delivers full multitasking capability in a single powerful machine, precision machining with reduced setup times, flexible automation for small and medium batch sizes, easy programming and fast changeovers with the automation, and a reliable future-ready production cell for maximum efficiency. In short, the MULTUS B300II with TA200 creates a fully automated multitasking solution that boosts productivity, increases process stability and helps manufacturers to stay competitive in demanding markets. For more information, contact us via info-oeg@okuma.eu.